Hi, today we have a new bicycle to fix. As you can see here, the hub is rotating around. The bicycle is not going anywhere. So there is a problem inside the hub, so we have to open and see what is wrong. And this is the Shimano single speed. As usual, we open the axle, the nuts, here, 3. So the first step, I will hold the wheel like this in the frame of the bike, so it is easy to control the rim and open the side. Now we open this side, nut, and now I will hold the brake arm and open at the same time. Now you can use your hand. So this Shimano single gear, usually it needs service from time to time, maybe every 2 years, something like that. But anyway, it depends, of course. Here's the bearing bolts. This is the brakes, brake shoes, and this is the clutch. So usually the clutch, it has to be replaced, but you can see here also there is a lot of grease, old grease, so this can cause also problems for the hub. It can make the rim rotate like empty, so we have to clean this or replace actually the brake shoes and the clutch. The clutch is the main reason. Here is the chain ring. Oh, this is broken actually here. The unit, driving unit, is broken, as you can see. So it has to be replaced actually. It is broken inside. Yeah. This has to be removed. Like that, yeah. Anyway, it should be attached like that. So you have to change the drive unit, this one, and the clutch also better to change. Okay, now we can see here the drive unit is broken, and this is the new one. We have to replace this and move the chain ring out of the old drive unit. I have noticed also here the brakes. I don't know if you can see well, but it is worn out. You can see it's shiny. This is the new one. It's more sharp, and this is more shiny because the surface is a little bit more smooth, not so you can see. So the brake shoes has to be replaced. Here also the clutch. This is a new one. So this is the surface is most important for the brake to be engaged and brake better or good. Here is the old one. You can see it is very sharp and shiny, and not sharp but shiny and worn out, you can see. So it has to be replaced because the new brakes and the new clutch should engage here when you are braking. Here I have to remove the chain ring and I put it in the new drive unit. So you can see here there is a ring. Please hold it like that and be careful it's not flying. And then you can remove the chain ring. This is the old one broken. So I will remove this also, this piece here. And clean it. And add it here to the drive unit. And I put like that the chain ring. You can see here there is 3 pieces. It should match here also. And now when you put the ring, hold by your finger and by the screwdriver. Now this is good and fit inside, yeah. So here you put the bearing balls, and remember to add grease for the bearing balls. So this is the old one, and here also other side you put grease and bearing balls here. Remember all time to put the bearing balls in the correct direction. And here also grease and the bearing balls. So here we have everything is ready. Now I will assemble everything in the wheel. This is the wheel. Remember there is 2 sides are open, one is larger and one is smaller. So the chain ring should go from this direction. You can also add a little grease here. And this side also a little grease. Now you put the bearing, the chain ring and the drive unit here and hold it and switch other side and put the clutch. You can add also a little grease, very little, not very soft layer, and rotate this inside so it should hold inside the drive unit. Remember also here the brake, you can add a little grease, but very little. And remember the direction of the brake, it should go inside like this, and the other one also the same. Try to make it equally both sides. And then this piece, it should match inside. You add it here and carefully. Oh, it did not go. The brake moved inside, so I will put it again. Yes, now it looks good. Yes, now it's good. Now you can move it to the axle here. And hold the other side and rotate same time, and hold the chain ring by your hand so it should keep everything inside the hub in order. Okay, now it went inside, so this is fine now. It stopped alone by itself when it reached the end. Okay, take arm. Remember the direction. The writing usually is outside. You can see the model Shimano CB-E110. You match it here. And there is one washer here, and then you tie it until it reaches the end. And hold the arm and tie it this. If the gear ring is rotating with the wheel, not good sign, so you have to lose a little. Still. So now it's good. Make sure there is no space in the wheel, but this is the ideal position, so it's not moving, or you can still actually open a little. Yeah, this is good. So now we put the wheel back and it will be soon ready. And now I have assembled the wheel, and you can see it is rotating quite good. Make sure that the chain is not loose, not tight, and the wheel is located in the middle exactly here. And that is it, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.